I'm Vanessa Koukou, and this is Birdhouse English, your place to grow fluent, confident, and empowered in entrepreneurial literacy.
Learn budgeting in English. Dave Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps explained simply by Birdhouse English, Entrepreneurial Literacy Series.
Hello, dear learner! If we haven't met yet, my name is Vanessa Koukou, and I've been teaching English for 20 years in Greece and abroad. I hold a master's degree in TEFL, teaching English as a foreign language, and I have worked as a translator, a project manager, and for over a decade, I was the founder and owner of a foreign languages center.
Let me tell you the truth. I used to try saving money, a little here, a little there, but every time something came up, a broken laptop, a surprise bill, the money was gone. One friend even laughed at me. Saving? With what money? And honestly, I understood him. But I kept going. I was saving not just for security, but for a dream. A dream of starting my own business, my own foreign language school. The money wasn't much, but it was my confidence fund. And when an opportunity came through, it didn't cover everything, but because I'd saved something, I was ready. Today, I want to give you that same courage. We're going to learn how to budget your money in English using Dave Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps. The same steps that helped me feel in control, hopeful, and stronger than ever. Let's do this together. And there's one mistake almost everyone makes when they start budgeting. It's not about spreadsheets or math, it's about something deeper. I'll tell you what it is near the end, because once I saw it, everything changed. Let's learn 5 keywords. Budget. Budget is a plan for how to spend money. Debt. Debt is money you owe. Emergency fund. Emergency fund is savings for surprise problems. Interest. Interest is extra money you pay on loans. And invest is the action you take to grow your money. Now that we've covered these words, let's dive in.
Save $1,000 for emergencies. This is your safety net. If something happens, a phone breaks, a medical bill, you have cash ready.
Step 1 is simple and powerful. Save $1,000, pounds, euros, whatever. Not because it will solve everything, but because it makes you feel safe. Repeat after me. This is my emergency fund. Emergency means a broken laptop, a sick child, a car that won't start. In English, we say, I need a cushion. I want peace of mind. And this step gives you both. A cushion, peace, power.
Pay off all debt, except your house. Use the debt snowball. Pay the smallest debt first. Then the next. Then the next.
Step 2. Kill your debt. One piece at a time. This is called the Snowball method. Start with the smallest debt. When you finish it, move to the next. Why? Because small wins give you confidence. Repeat after me. I'm paying off my debt. In English, we say, I'm gaining momentum. I'm tackling my debt head-on.
Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund provides you with time and peace of mind if you lose your job.
Step 3. Build your cushion, your peace. Imagine losing your job and not panicking. That's what this step gives you. Repeat after me. I'm building my safety fund. In English, we say, this is my rainy day fund. It buys me time and calm.
If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you have to do, don't you? Click that button, like and share, so that you show me that you like my content and you want me to keep creating that content for you, teaching and inspiring you. The softest kiss.
Invest 15% of your income. Save for retirement or long-term security.
Step 4. Invest. Not to get rich fast, but to grow slow and strong. Repeat after me. I invest in my future. In English, we say money grows over time. Slow growth is strong growth.
Save for your children's education. If you have kids, this helps avoid student debt.
Step 5. Give your kids freedom. Future choice. Repeat after me. I'm saving for their future. In English, we say education is an investment. No student debt equals strong start.
Pay off your house early. Extra payments now equals freedom later.
Step 6. Buy your freedom. Make extra payments on your mortgage. Repeat after me. We're paying off our house early. In English, we say we own our house, not the bank. We're almost free.
Build wealth and give. Now you can help others, travel, and live with freedom.
Step 7. You made it. Now your money works for you. Now you can give. Repeat after me. I want to build wealth and give back. In English, we say we're building a legacy. We have more than enough. Remember I told you there's one budgeting mistake almost everyone makes? Here it is. They don't believe it matters. They save £5, dollars, euros, whatever, and spend it. They think, what's the point? But that tiny amount is the point. It's proof you care. It's momentum. The biggest budgeting mistake isn't wasting money. It's giving up on your future because it looks too small today. But you didn't give up. You're here, learning, budgeting, believing. You didn't just learn English today. You took the first step to building a better life. If this lesson gave you hope or new idea, subscribe and join our journey. We're not just learning English here, we're building the future together. And one last thing to remember, you're not bad with money. You were never taught how to speak about it in English or any language. But today you started. That means something. That means everything. Subscribe, download the free budgeting worksheet, and please don't forget to comment down below. What step are you on? Do you want more lessons like this? Then subscribe to Birdhouse English on YouTube and keep learning, keep watching, and keep noticing the details. Are you ready for personal guidance? Then book your one-to-one session with me right here and let's work together to grow your English, your confidence, and your voice.